In today's video, you are going to see one of your most favorite toenails for excess cleaning. The progress of his big toenail reattaching has been amazing. He will still need to regularly clean the excess buildup from his toenails. As you can see, his body is pretty consistent in creating lots of protection for his toes. And I'm still cleaning out the buildup till the end of the pedicure. So stay tuned.
You been doing good?
Oh yeah, I'm hanging in there. We just got back from vacation.
If you're new here, welcome! Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video, and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
We'll get that later.
Strong nails. I remember when that whole toenail came off.
Did it when you heard it during football?
Oh no, during the flood.
Oh.
I was in the basement cleaning with flip flops on. That was just me being stupid. And a flip flop, my shoe was like, my foot was like hanging off the flip flop. I went upstairs.
Oh my gosh.
And I missed the stair, and my nail caught it as I was going down.
Oh my gosh.
So
That must have hurt so bad.
Oh my goodness. Boy, the pain was real.
Oh yeah. So it needs to soak some more. It's still real hard.
I came across this video on Facebook and TikTok. Someone did, I guess it was getting put down by a doctor. They had this sharp knife, and they were like cutting the nail out the corner with the knife. I'm like,
Those look scary, don't they?
I'm like, man, ain't no way in here to touch my people that damn thing. So
Yeah.
that corner nail be dug in so far, so you gotta cut it out.
It's like a scalpel.
Yeah. So it was just like like a butter. I'm like,
Yep.
I think it's just one time for them to say, oh, go too far or push too hard.
I think those are in a different country. I haven't seen a podiatrist in the United States use that tool, but I know exactly what you're talking about. people who've been, you know, here 2, 3, 4 times, because so many questions are, well, where's this first video? Where's this second video? Yep, as soon as that last little bit breaks through and makes that nail groove, you won't have any more issues. I knew that that was going to cause more pressure once it got up to that area. After this gets a little bit softer, I'm going to file it some more.
Okay. Will it soak a little bit longer?
Yeah, when it comes out of the water again.
Oh, that's the it's just like, wow, my feet came a long way. This is what, my 4th or 5th time coming? My 3rd or 4th time?
I think it's your 4th.
Okay. Well, they're gonna be real shocked when they see this video.
Mm-hmm.
You're about to have almost a million viewers.
Mm-hmm.
Was that like the most ever?
Of views? No, one of Bruce's videos has like 10 million views.
Jesus Christ, was that bad?
They're not though, that's the thing. Yeah. Few years your videos will have that many views too.
I'm gonna tell one of my co-workers, like, yeah, I just left from Lori's. You supposed to video up? That still shot at me. I ain't know. I knew it was like popular on YouTube. I didn't know it hit that close to home.
Oh yeah, yeah.
She said, I know that voice anywhere. Where are you doing that? I said, that was my first time. She was like, oh my goodness, you see the transformation in your feet? Oh my goodness.
That is so amazing.
Book an appointment and go. And actually, I think you did my mother-in-law's.
I did. Yeah, I think she was scheduled to come back for a second visit and then COVID happened.
Could have shut down again.
Yeah, so we couldn't do it.
So y'all shut down for 3-4 weeks?
We were
8
shut down
weeks?
for 3 months. 12 weeks, yeah.
It was only supposed to be 3.
Yeah.
And she big grip
Pushed
kept
it.
off in the back.
Yep. Sorry. Going too fast. Does this side hurt?
Not no more.
Not no more.
It hurt when you tell I to touch it.
It doesn't hurt right now when I'm pushing on it.
Uh-uh.
Alright, just gonna file a little bit more out of there.
Every time I get to this point, I'll be ready to fall asleep.
It's so warm in here.
Yeah, it's one actually feels good. You got well balanced. No pants with a hoodie on.
Yeah.
I can wear this anywhere. I was wearing this when we went to Wisconsin.
You really?
They're like, dude, it's negative 11 degrees outside. You're here with shorts on.
You're like, I'm warm.
I'm good. Like a hoodie on my legs. My legs are straight. I couldn't even do that.
Because it hurt so bad?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think you're going to be good.
I was talking to the lady a couple weeks ago. I was like, yeah, I'm overdue. She's like, what you mean? So my feet is killing me. I gotta go see Lori.
Gotta get my toes fixed. It's like I can get a belt. Strap them in. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.